In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Favicon on Squarespace. A favicon is the tiny icon that appears in the browser tab next to your page title. It helps visitors recognize your brand at a glance and makes your site look polished and professional. Start by opening your Squarespace website dashboard. From there, head into your website's settings area. On that screen, look for the highlighted option that opens the main website configuration panel and click it. At the top, you'll see a search field. Click into the search, type Favicon, and then select the option that says Adjust your site's favicon. That takes you straight to the dedicated Favicon settings page. On this page, click Add a Favicon. If you see a second prompt or a highlighted upload area, go ahead and click Add a Favicon again to open the file picker. In this walkthrough, we'll choose an image that's already in the site's library, so click Select from Library. Pick the icon image you want to use, then confirm by clicking Add. If you're prompted again to add a favicon, some sites show this flow more than once so you can supply variants. Repeat the same sequence. Click Add a Favicon, choose Select from Library, highlight the image you want, and click Add. Doing this ensures your icon is applied everywhere. Squarespace expects it. When your favicon previews look correct, move to the top right and click Save to publish the change. A few quick tips to make your icon look great. Use a simple high-contrast design that reads well at very small sizes. A square image works best. A 512 by 512 pixel PNG with a transparent background is a reliable choice. Keep thin lines and tiny text to a minimum so the shape remains recognizable in a browser tab. If you ever need to swap icons later, you can return to the same page and repeat the exact steps to replace it. After saving, keep in mind that favicons can be cached by browsers. If you don't see the new icon immediately, refresh the page, try a hard reload, or open your site in a private window. Sometimes it can take a few minutes for the new icon to appear everywhere. That's it. You've added a favicon to your Squarespace site. By following the path to adjust your site's favicon, clicking Add a Favicon, selecting your image from the library, confirming with Add, and finishing with Save, your site now has a clean, branded touch that visitors will notice right away.